That is correct. We are in still on one variable inequalities, and our objective is I can solve and graph compound one variable inequalities. Be nice. You don't need a Fourier model since we already know what inequalities are, one variable. We already know the steps. What are the 4 steps? Tell your neighbor, please. Very good. Simplify, isolate, plot, check. Okay? Then we go to the first example that we did yesterday. Is that correct? And then I did some animation yesterday. Let me go over that one again. I know. I got it. Give me a second. Yesterday we started with some animation so that I can show you guys how compound inequalities came together. So here's one. Here's another. And I said compound means combine, which means if I move this one over here, and this one over here, and then all of a sudden it collapses to become a compound inequality. Is that correct? Yes, Mr. Q. All right, good. So from there, yesterday, let me go back to Nearpod. Yesterday, we did our first example. We did example 1B. Did we do example 1C? Yes. We left off on example 1D, didn't we? Okay. So we're going to do that one. Copy that on your paper, please. Only copy it on your paper. Okay. Example 1D. It's solve and graph the solutions. -4 less than or equal to 3n plus 5 less than 11. I want you to solve, graph, and send me your solution set. Copy that and solve. Go. Correct answer on your screen. You agree with that? You don't have to include it in the solution set, but I do want to see it on the graph. So that lets me know that you understand what we're looking at. See what I did there? All right. Okay, Voss said always to put n. Everybody say thank you, Voss. Thank you, Voss. All right, so we got this, right? Let's do a couple. Let's look at a couple more. There's Janice, Armando, Mason, Erica. Oh, sorry. There it is. Whoa. Whoa, that. My goodness. All right, so we get the idea. Let's move on. So copy this one on your paper, please. Example 2A on your paper. It says solve and graph 8 plus t greater than or equal to 7 or 8 plus t less than 2. Sorry? Or 8, yeah, well, I'm gonna go over these with you. And yesterday, if you notice, we only focused on compound inequalities that were and. Today we're looking at or. Bam. And then there's then. No. All right. So here he goes. Look up, please. So as you're finishing writing that down, look up. Thank you. So here we have two inequalities, this one and this one. I'm going to start with this one. So to solve, I need to leave t by itself. I subtract 8, and I end up with t greater than or equal to -1. So far, so good? I'm going to solve this one now. -8 minus 8. I end up with t less than -6. So now I have two inequalities. And if you notice now we have the word or. Let's see what that means. Let me graph these so you guys can understand what I'm talking about. Here it goes. So if I graph this, I'm going to start with 0. And I'm going to graph this one first, -1. Does it include the dividing point? Yes, Mr. Q. All right, good. It's a solid point. And I'm going to test 0. Is 0 greater than or equal to -1? Yeah, so it's going that way. All right. Next, I'm going to graph the second part, negative 6. It's an open point because it doesn't have the equal sign. And I'll test 0 again. Is 0 less than negative 6? No, so it's not going this way. It's going the opposite way. What do you guys notice? They do not overlap. Therefore, the solution for this inequality, solution set T, is T greater than or equal to negative 1. That means all of this, or T less than negative 6, which means all of this. So what does that mean about this space? Talk it up with your neighbor. What does it mean about this empty space? So, therefore, the solution set is anywhere on this side or this side except for this empty space. Does that make sense? Copy that, please. Okay, on your screen, I'm going to forward this one so you can do the next one by yourself. See how you do. Example 2B. It says solve and graph the solutions 4x less than or equal to 20 or 3x greater than 21. It should be on your iPad, right?
No, you can't write on it.
I know. I said copy that one on your paper. Do it on your paper. Copy that and solve. Go. See what you get. All right, it should be done by now. Get me started, please, Idalis. What do I do? Next. Okay. All right. How about the graph? I'm going to start with 5. Okay. Close point. To the left. Okay. Next one is 7. Open. And what kind of graph is this? Or solution set x such that x less than or equal to 5 or x greater than 7. All right. So now check this out, guys. This is where I wanted to get. The last one. Look up, please. For your home plate tonight, on the play sheet, you're going to have something like this, writing the solution set. Look up, you're going to miss it. To write the solution set from the graph, what kind of graph is this? And. So watch. Solution set, you need to give it a variable, so use your initial. So I'm going to use E for Erica. Solution set E, and then what are my extremes? -2 and 5. Watch. So that means that solution in here is in between these two. Is that correct? So the solution E is in between these two. Less than or equal? I mean, not equal, it's less than. But what if it had a solid point? It would be what? Or equal to. Does everybody understand? And that's how you write your solution set. Pick up a play sheet from up front. Home plate for tonight is a play sheet. Make sure you log out from Nearpod.
Okay, guys.
Oh. It's 6-4 and what else? 6-4, 5-4. Yeah. Hold on. Good one, guys. Enjoy your home play. See you guys tomorrow.